Hi guys, in this video lecture, I'm going to discuss about how can I output my SQL query results in CSV format. So for this one, I'm going to use there MySQL Workbench. And if I run this query, let's run. Here you can see this is the result of this query. Let's run this query, and this is the output of this query. So I want to save this output result into CSV format. So in my SQL Workbench, we have the option. If you go this place, export record set to an external file, or here we said here filter. So you need to click on this export record to an external file. So when I click this, automatically the extension that's come there, CSV, .csv extension that's come there. Now the next is here, let's save the file on this desktop, and here you need to give the meaningful name of this output. So here giving the name test1, test1, and here the format is now CSV. So let's click on save. So this output is now that saved into CSV format, test1 CSV. If I double click, here you can see here the output of this result that saved into the CSV format. Okay. Now if you want to save the result on the text format, so here let's run this query. So this is the output of this query. Let's click on this export to external file. So you have this different option, CSV, SQL, or XML, whatever you want. CSV is there, HTML, JSON. If you want, then JSON you can use. Text is there. Let's use their text. So here, giving the name EMP file. So text format, that's going to save there. So let's click save, and now you can see EMP file, or this output is now that saved into the text format. There is some thing is there. Data is not loading to file format, but this is how we can save the data or query result into CSV or text format. Okay, so by using MySQL Workbench, we can easily do that. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now this video is over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.